Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today I will be doing an unboxing and a first impression of the new ABH Norvina Pro Pigment Volume 1 eyeshadow palette. So if you want to see how I got this look and my thoughts on this palette, please continue to watch. Okay, we're back. This is the new palette. It is simply beautiful. I love the purple. I'm an all purple girl. This is the PR box that it comes in. Then you open up the box, and this is what you would get. You will get Anastasia logo, and then you will see the palette as well as the eyeshadow primer. This is the palette. It is simply beautiful. It has ABH Norvina collection. And like I said, this is the Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1. So I'm assuming she's finna come out with more volumes. Okay, you open it up. And it has a big mirror. And here are the pigments. They are beautiful. And I'm not going to swatch them because they are all over YouTube. But I have a picture up here to let you see some swatches. But anyway, the pigments go from, there are no names, but they have A to E5. So line 1 is A1 through A5. Line 2 is B1 to B5. 3 is C1 to C5. 4 is D1 to D5. And 5 is E1 to E5. So it's go to A, B, C, D, E, 1 through 5. And just to tell you a little bit about the palette, like I said, they don't have any names. They just have numbers. They go from A to E, 1 through 5. They are vegan free. This shadow has a magnetic closure. You see how it closes automatically. So it's magnetic and it will close like that. And you just open it up. That's how this palette is. Like I said, there are 5 rows. And there are each row there are 5 eyeshadows. And this is limited edition. Only thing is it did not have a brush inside it. No brush at all. And most of ABH palettes, they are smaller and they do come with brushes. Inside this palette also there are 17 matte shadows, 6 metallic shadows, 2 shimmering shadows, and there is a total of 17 pressed pigment. Okay, okay, and just to tell you one more thing, I'm gonna have a picture up here, or else up here. I think it's gonna be up here, and where the X marks the spot, it will show that these shadows should not be used around the eyes. And that's what they said is A, 2, 3, and 5, B, 1, 3, 4, and 5, C, 4 and 5, D, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and E, 1, 2, 4, and 5. But as we know, we still use it around our eyes regardless. But these are the shadows that they say you should not use around the eyes. Okay, I'm just, like I said, I'm just gonna do a simple look today, just something real simple. Instead of me using the primer that came with it, I'm going to use my Born This Way. I like using this as a primer around my eyelids. Okay, like I said, just something quick and simple. So, the first thing I'm going to use is, and I noticed too, they don't have really any transitional shades. Let me see. I'm going to use C5. Okay, I'm going to use this one. I think it's this one right here. C5. I'm going to use that one. Just like I said, just going to be a simple look. And like I said, they also are very pigmented. I'm going to put D5, which is some black in that area next. Okay, now I am going to use, let me see, just something soft to smoke it. Let me see. I'm going to use this A5 right here. Just a little bit. Let's see. Now I'm going to put some of this eye primer. Just put just a little bit. I'm going to use the shade C3, I think. I'm going to use this one, C3. I'm just see, can I put that on my lid? And I think I'm going to put some of this. Let me see how this will look on it. Yeah, change up a color just a little. I'm going to put this E1 on top of that. Just going to use my fingers. Just spread a little of that on them.
Okay.
It looks okay. Okay, I'll be right back with the final look and give you my opinion about this palette. Okay, I'm back. So what do you all think? Okay, my thoughts on this palette. I really do like it because I'm a purple girl anyway. So I really do like it. And like that I said, you do have some fallout. As you can see, you do have some fallout. It's very pigmented. But the only thing I can say, it didn't have enough transitional shades. But other than that, on a scale from 1 to 5, I give this palette a 4 or 4.5. So if you all are thinking about purchasing this palette, it is limited edition, so you can get it from ABH website, Sephora, Ulta, and it is $60. I mean, there's nothing else I can say about this palette. I mean, if you all would like for me to do a different look from this palette, please comment in the bottom section of this video. And also, if you all have already purchased this palette or thinking about purchasing it, or have done a look that you might want me to do, please comment in the bottom section of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.